Hello. And the others of Leetcode 2043 simple bank system. Basically, main kind of questioning now, but almost develop a simple bank system. I'll be to my transfer, with my deposit, I'll be to my withdrawal, right? On my list of balances. So we say balance, the bank has an account numbered from 1 to n. In the account number, and 0 starting from 1 to n, right? In the end, one thing I'll be so, and almost say the initial balance of each account is stored in an index, in a zero indexed integer array balance. As just a account via the balance na starting from 0 equals c your friend saying n and equals n plus I, right? Into account via and say account 1 no balance is 0, account 2 no balance here way, right? And another condition some of them is given that the numbers are between the account numbers are between y and n, right? Into n no length of account numbers, no, right? Into any one condition is an amount withdrawn or transferred from is less than or equal to the balance of the account. Balance of the account also starting from 0 is 0 indexed array, right? Into the same thing. One of the first things I see checking, right? Well, initialization, they even here set, even here balance, right? Into any balance equal to balance, right? Into any initialization, Another thing you ever see income was here define here whether it is a valid account, right? Valid account, I will say the very return, I will say it has to be between so account in range, right, 1 to length of balance, yeah, in here I will say between the length of balance now n minus 1, right? Into here no the say transfer before I transfer I see a check say account here valid, and so if self dot if account here valid, right? And account 2 see valid, right? Now here if you transfer free hano right? So if balance at account 1 minus 1 because a 0 indexed, right? Account nankasa they started free 1, but almost see account balance is a 0 index, starting index is 0 in 21 free mana you balance at that particular 0, right? If account balance a greater or equal to money, so can you have a transfer in there, right? Even to my transfer, okay. So yeah, self dot balance at account minus 1 minus money, okay. na afei de baby a ye transfer akɔ no account 2 minus 1. You see account 1 minus 1, account 2 minus 1 plus money, because I want to see no call. It's a big way now, it may happen return true. Because ana question ni bisa. And yes, I return false. Okay. Instead here deposit. Deposit since here if we check out his account near valid self dot is valid accounts. Boom. Accounts. And self dot balance at account minus 1 money. Okay, where you just depositing tea. So wait me happen and return true. And yes, return false. Okay. Last one, be withdrawal, right? Withdrawal no still you check his account near valid if self dot is valid account right into account and sikane wo account nim no eso enough say betumi I withdraw that amount, right? To self dot balance at account minus 1. And yeah, minus 1 all the time because balance in the account is 0 indexed array balance with I plus 1 account having an initial balance of balance I, right? And it's here minus 1. Boom 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 boom. Is greater or equal to money, right? Sadia a bit me is kind of free, right? Into here balance for that account. Then you now go through the return true. Yes, sir. Return false. Okay, ain't say I think, and I'll be implementing a simple bank system. The account itself dot balance or the length of balance. Wait a minute, sure. Wait a minute, sure. Say you're correct, and hold a minute, sure. Say you're correct, and I say you're correct. But yeah, sure. Say you're correct. Account 1 is not defined. Home fan account double C. Account ni spelling a double C. Inti. What a problem no. What spelling yana? Oh. Okay. Inti aha no plus 1. Okay. The entire way ni say n is inclusive. Inti n plus 1 so that n is like the oh yeah, BB say BB say right. Comment way out. range 1 2 3 start range 1 to 2 3 ne nka ho, right? Nti so person range na person 3 ne ka ho so no 4 because last one thing be use range nka ho, right? And nti na made the +1 na ka ho. But yeah, this is how I solve question way. Okay. All right. Nti that's it. Like I say, bye bye.